All right, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the image carousel in Google Sites. So the image carousel allows you to take images either from your computer or from your Google um, Drive or Google Photos. You can also Google image search. So if you wanted to look for a series of images, so if you wanted students to look at pictures or something like that for an assignment, and also by URL. All right, for today's demonstration, I just have the pictures directly on my computer. So I'm doing a little bit of an about me page. All right, so I just hold down the control button and select the images that I want. You need to have at least 2 images in your image carousel in order for it to work, obviously. All right, and then you'll see your images load here. Now, if I insert this, all right, it'll create my carousel. All right, I know it's a carousel because of these 3 dots at the bottom. All right, and then I can resize. Remember, everything gets bigger when you publish, so you don't want things to be too big. All right, that's good for now. Okay, so if I wanted to look at this in my preview, I'm going to notice something very quickly. All right, the only way for people to access these is by clicking on the arrows. Okay, and I want it to move automatically because this isn't about me page, and these are my badges that I've earned. So I want it to move by itself. So what I do is I go back into the settings, and then I'm going to come into these settings here. All right. So the 3 dots show how many images there are. The captions. So if you added any captions when you uploaded or selected your images, but this is the one you want. So auto start is going to allow the carousel to run on its own, and then you decide what speed. Okay. So now I can update this. Okay. And then when I come to look at it in my preview, I will see that now, my carousel is moving on its own. Pretty cool. All right, one more thing I want to show you. So this is an about me page. All right, so instead of this being here, one of the cool things about this that people don't realize is that you can drag most of the tools up into the top here. So now instead of it being below, now it's my actual header. Okay, and when I look at that, now this is what the top of the page would look like. So you'd see all my badges, and then they would scroll down to find more content about me.